guys, I've made it back home, and I'm gonna let you know how you can win my first giveaway. First things first, you have to be subscribed to the channel. Duh. Secondly, on this video, I need you to comment below what is your favorite washing detergent. Second of all, if you want an extra entry on my big announcement video, I would like for you to drop baby names, one boy and one girl name. So if you do that and this, then you have 2 entries in this giveaway. This is my first giveaway of this year. It will be a gift card giveaway because I want to make it simple and nothing too extra right now because I am getting ready for the baby. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment your favorite detergent below so that you're entered. And if you want a second entry, make sure you drop some baby names on my big announcement video. Later, guys.